Are the following questions bothering you? What is digital marketing? What is its job scope in India? The salary that you can expect as a fresher digital marketer. How can digital marketing help you? How to earn money through digital marketing apart from doing a job? Then you have landed in the right place. Hi everyone, it's Sushant Arora, the CEO and founder of In-Class Learning, and I welcome each and every one of you to this free digital marketing course. So let's jump right in the video where I'm going to walk you through the answers to all the questions in a step-by-step manner. Before I tell you what digital marketing is, you must know what marketing actually means. Now, if there's a business, whether it's a small scale business, a medium scale or a large scale business, would want the people to know about all the products or services they have to offer. Now, all the actions that they take to make the people aware about their products and services is called as marketing. Earlier on, if a business had to market its offerings, it would do so with the help of some pamphlets or maybe give an ad in the newspaper, right? But now the scenario has totally changed. Now the real deal is to market digitally. Now that you know what marketing actually means and how the businesses used to market their offerings traditionally, let's jump in what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is nothing but a form of marketing in which you use internet and internet-based technologies and platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. to promote a business. In other words, you promote the services or products being offered by a business using internet as a medium. Now let's look at the job scope of digital marketing in India. So as you can see, 28,461 digital marketing jobs are available currently on this platform. Let's have a look on one more platform and you can see 45,725 jobs. So you can see there's ample of opportunity for you to get a good job. The point is that you need to have the right skill set in order to find a good job. Now let's look at what you can expect in the form of a salary as a fresher digital marketer. The average salary for a fresher digital marketer is about 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. That would roughly translate into 25 to 33,000 rupees a month. Here comes the big question. Is digital marketing for you, or how digital marketing can help you? Digital marketing has a lot to offer to you, whether you are a working professional, a college going student, an entrepreneur, a businessman, or a startup. If you are a working professional, you can look at it as a good career shifting option. If you're a college going student, you can easily earn money as a freelancer through your DM skills and earn good amount of money while you are studying. No business has ever succeeded with a bad marketing strategy in place. So if you are running a business, or even though you are planning to start a new one, or you are planning to convert your offline business to an online one, digital marketing is definitely for you. Because no matter how good or great your products or services are, if you don't know how to market them properly and make the people aware that you have a certain product or service that can solve one of their potential problems, your business will not flourish. So this digital marketing course has some or the other thing to offer to each and every one of you who's watching the video. Who can learn digital marketing? You don't need any technical expertise or belong to a technical background to be able to learn digital marketing. All you need is a computer or a laptop, an internet connection, and last but the most important thing, without which everything is going to be a waste, your will to learn and implement. Now, ways to earn money through digital marketing apart from doing a job. There are 4 most utilized ways to that. Starting with number 1, which is freelancing. In freelancing, you post your gigs on freelancing websites and offer your services to individuals or businesses who are looking for people like you to get their work done. Now, the 4 best freelancing websites that you can start using right away are Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and Guru.com. The second way to earn money is through blogging. You see, when you have a blog which has good incoming traffic, you can use it in 2 ways. You can either get your website associated with Google AdSense, or you can become an affiliate marketer. When you sign up for AdSense, Google will start displaying suitable ads on your websites, and Google will pay you for that based upon the clicks, impressions, and other interactions with the Google ads that you will display on your site. Now, when you become an affiliate marketer for an individual or business, you promote their products or services on your website or network and earn a predefined commission on every sale you make for their business. Now, the third way to earn is by providing paid consultation service to business owners. The consultation can be regarding taking their offline business online, or lead conversion, or increasing traffic to their physical store with the help of online ads, etc. The fourth way that is booming currently is by selling your own digital products, which can be an online course, an ebook, content calendars, templates, etc. So that's all in this video. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer every single one of them as soon as possible. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you're notified when the next helpful video of this course is out. You can also follow us on Instagram, the link to which is given in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.